In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Google Meet using our 2025 full guide. Whether you want to add a bit of fun to your meetings or simply enhance your video feed, applying filters can really transform your Google Meet experience. Let's start by going to the Google Meet webpage. You can easily find it if you type Google Meet into your preferred search engine and click on the link to the official website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you should enter your Google account credentials. If you are not signed in already, this is an essential step as you need to be logged into your Google account to use Meet services. After logging in, you should be taken back to the Google Meet main page. Here, you will see the option to start a new meeting. Clicking on this button is the next step. It will present you with several options, but for the purpose of this guide, let's choose Start an Instant Meeting. It's a quick way to get things rolling without scheduling in advance. Now that your meeting is up and running, it's time to dive into the video settings. Look towards the lower right portion of the screen where you will find an option to access the settings. Go ahead and click on that and you'll see a variety of different controls for your meeting. Next, locate and click on the Background and Effects button. This is where all the magic happens. Upon clicking, a range of options will present themselves, designed to enhance your video experience. At this stage, you'll see two main options, backgrounds and filters. First, let's look at backgrounds. This feature allows you to blur your real background or replace it with a virtual one, making it a great choice for privacy or simply adding some fun to your meetings. Following this, let's focus on the filters section. Filters can add a delightful layer of creativity to your meeting experience. Don't hesitate to explore the different filters available until you find a look that suits your style or the tone of your meeting. Once you've played around with filters, you might also want to adjust your appearance settings. This is where you can tweak things such as brightness and contrast to ensure your video looks just right. You can achieve a professional, well-lit appearance without much effort, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your video feed. Finally, feel free to experiment with these settings to find what works best for your needs and preferences. It's all about making your Google Meet experience both fun and productive. So, that's a basic overview on how to apply filters to Google Meet, adding a creative flair to each and every call. Enjoy trying out these features next time you're on a call, and make your virtual meetings just a little more engaging.